Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to CUBOT X19S. First of all, open Play Store on both devices and click on the search bar. Then you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. After that, open it. Now click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, you need to go with Send on Samsung and Receive on CUBOT. Then click on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will go into Photos category and select only this one photo. Then choose Send and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on CUBOT, choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into, in my case, Photos, click on Library, and as you can see, Send Anywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!